So I basically downloaded a new Famidash, so I think it's time for us to beat another level. Let's see what's here on the custom level. So I've already did this, I've already did all these. And then there's the Lightning Road, the Nightmare, there's Demon Park. Anyway, Death Moon, I also don't like. That took me 3 years. Lucky Draw. Okay. Let's check out the demons, the official level demons. There's Club Step. Maybe we could be Club Step. There's Theory of Everything too. Maybe that. Deadlocked. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna be deadlocked on Famidash. Okay. I think this version of Club Step is already harder than normal Club Step. Considering the only button that I could actually press since it's mobile is A. Like the Nightmare and the Lightning Road were pretty easy. But I don't know about Club Step. Okay, got to the ship. Okay, yeah, I'm not beating that. Hi! Alright, we're back in. So,
Geometry Dash.
let's just see what other levels are here, basically. So, I've tried these. Should I do Geometrical Dominator? I think I should. Oh, never mind. Okay, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go here then. I'm gonna try Dear Nostalgists. Dear Nostalgists. Cause I already have 29% on normal. So let's see how it goes. Why did I do that? Oh my god, this is lagging out. Okay, I barely even touched that. But it's sad, cause you can barely even spam on mobile, cause there's only one button. Let me go back. Oh. Okay, fine. Alright, so I'm still trying to find a level. Okay, I'm gonna go back. Let's see what other levels there are. So there's Bloodbath but no what? Is it Bloodbath but no spikes? Like, what is it? Oh wait, I forgot to show the video of me beating the Lightning Road. So I think I should do that right now. Roll the clip. What? That was probably a void click. Bro, if a new version comes out right after I install this, I'm gonna be so mad. Doing really good. Okay, that was kind of buggy. We got through it. I saw a blue orb bug. Yes! Oh my god, finally! Alright, I need to see what other demons there are on here. Luckily, it doesn't lag out, so that's good. So, that was me beating the Lightning Road. I don't really know what else to beat. Let's try Sunshine. Oh, I just realized I was a robot. What the flip? Sunshine is already hard in normal mode for me. I feel like I should have been a demon, especially with that ending. Okay, that's sad. Can I exit out? Wait, let me see if there's dash on here. That's the last thing I'm doing. Oh yeah, there is dash on here. Okay, wait a second. Oh. Beep, 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 beep. Well, at least I got the offset. Well, at least I got the static. It's either the static or the offset they used. Oh. So at least they added like triggers in. I know they already did, like with like the color triggers. What is wrong with my English? And the force triggers. But other than that, okay, I cannot get past this. Finally, I got past that spider. Whoa, they did the little thingy. Okay, I don't know if I could do this because also the swing copter's physics are not like the normal swing copter physics, which is kind of sad. But I think 1.3 is gonna come out, so I'm waiting for that. Yay! Oh my god. Three, 2, 1. Geometry dash. Come on, please. Yes! Oh my god, I did not expect to beat Dash, but okay. It's a bug. What are you doing here? I beat Dash, so that's cool. Alright guys, that's all I'm doing. That's all I'm doing for Famidash. So I hope y'all like this little video that I made. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye!